Let's see if it just took time. Show IP route. Still haven't got anything there. Show IPv6 route. But here I got, so there's something talking on IPv4 there. Ping 2001, 3200, BADD, colon, 2000, colon 2. So we can ping across, but there's something in IPv4 that's just not jiving. Okay, show IP, show start, man. Show start. All right, IPv6. No, that's IPv6. There's your address right here, 10.115. 255.255.252. That's fine. There's your IPv6 address. And then we go to router OSPF 1, network 10.114. So that's good to go because we are receiving it on the other side. All right. We can see it. We just don't see this. We don't see this network. So if this router does not see this network in IPv4, then this is not advertising that network. That's what that states. That's what logic states. So it starts, but there it is right there. Router OSPF 1, network 10.118, right? So let's get rid of it here, see what happens. FAT, no router OSPF 1. All right. It should have said detached or something. Okay. Router OSPF 1, network 10.1.1.8. I got ghost in my computer. Area 0. All right. Full loading done. Lovely. Show IP route. I can see the 4. So let's see if we can ping. 10.1.1.5. It's being silly still. Okay, it's still being silly. That's not showing it here because it lost its way back. We can't get to it, period. And when we come over here, right? So IPv6, it works perfectly. Ain't that something? Show IP routes or show IP protocol. Let's go inside here. AT. No network. Oh, sorry. Gotta go inside OSPF first. How about that? Router OSPF 1. No network. 10.1.1.8. 0003. Area 0. It should say detached. Correct. Okay. Now we put it back in. Network 10.1.1.10. Hello. 10.1.1.8. 0.003. Area 0. Full loading done. That's a lovely sight to see. Right. We have IP addresses which are good to go, and we can just look at the labels. Again, this is 10.1.15. You can look at the label. 10.1.15, cited 30 up here, 10.1.19 and 10.1.16, G02, and then the correct interfaces. All right. And then we go to router 3, and it's 10.1.1.10. All right. I'm going to fast forward through time, 300 years. Okay. And then hit it there. Go IP route. All right. Just don't want to do it. No worries. I've redone OSPF 3 times. I've done a million things to it, and it doesn't just, it works with IPv6, but something's going on with IPv4, doesn't want to. Don't worry about it right now. All right. But these are the things that we will be doing. These are the things that we will be doing. Get my face back in here. No, too small. These are the things that we will be doing in OSPF. We do need to learn OSPF because that is a crucial routing protocol for the CCNA, CCNP, CCIE. All right, real world, you need to know OSPF. Single area, multiple area. We'll do both to include with virtual links. Right, when you're too far away from area 0, you need to create virtual links to get back to area 0. We will use a combination of packet tracer and EVNG, all right? Because with EVNG is more real world commands that we can do. All right, we don't run into the issues with the packet tracer. I can't blame EVNG. It has to be, I blame myself. Even sometimes here it's me because I put the wrong things in there. So, but we've troubleshooted quite a bit. So I'm just gonna let it go. But we need to understand OSPF, like with the link state database that I showed you. Right, we saw the LSA ones, right? Link state advertisements. That's what it's based on. Link state advertisements. You got 11 of them, I think. All right. So for CCNA, LSA 1, LSA 2, LSA 3, I would say would be the most. And maybe LSA 8, because that's for IPv6 specifically for your link local. So we just did a dual stack.